Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 air suspension. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and the correct replacement air spring. Next, ensure your BMW X5 is parked on a completely level surface and firmly engage the parking brake. For your safety, always disconnect the battery's negative terminal before you begin any work on your vehicle. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and secure repair process. Once prepared, carefully lift your BMW X5 using the jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Next, locate the air line connected to the old air spring and gently disconnect it. Be mindful of any residual air pressure. Finally, unbolt the mounting points that secure the air spring to the vehicle's chassis and control arm. With these bolts removed, you can carefully extract the old air spring assembly. Now, take your new air spring and carefully position it into place, aligning the mounting points. Securely fasten all the mounting bolts, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, firmly reconnect the air line to the new air spring. Double-check that the connection is snug to prevent any air leaks. Finally, slowly lower your BMW X5 off the jack stands and reconnect the battery's negative terminal. This completes the physical installation. After installation, start your BMW X5's engine. This allows the air suspension system to repressurize and inflate the new air spring. Observe the vehicle's ride height to ensure it's level and correct. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could indicate an air leak. If everything looks and sounds good, you've successfully changed your air suspension. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as smooth as your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.